welcome amazing ladies and stunning women to my new video. Today's video you are about to embark on a journey filled with the captivating long to short hairstyles, transformations and an abundance of stunning short hairstyles. Get ready for a ton of inspiration as we bring you over 100 great ideas in this music showcase. So dear viewers, I strongly encourage you to sit back, relax and enjoy the visual that awaits for you. But before we dive in, let me extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your continued support. Your presence here means the world to us. As we begin this exciting adventure, so I request you to stay tuned until the end of the video. In doing so, you will discover a treasure trove of hair-related wonders and witness mind-blowing transformations that will leave you in a way. Remember to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon, making sure you don't miss a single moment of the magic we create. Join our family and let's embark on this journey together. Let's delve into the world of remarkable hair transformation. One of the most notable aspects of this video is witnessing the fascinating Pixie haircut and the fascinating variety of transformations and color combinations. Prepare to be enchanted by the perfect combination of shades and the stunning effects they have on hairstyles. Gold-colored Pixie haircut radiate a warm and elegant atmosphere, while the interplay of black and brown adds tone, depth and dimension, captivating the eye with its creativity. These color options incorporate the limitless possibilities and creativity that can be achieved with a pixie cut, allowing people to express their unique personalities through their hair. However, it's not just the color transformation that will leave you in a way. The cutting techniques used in this video are just as fascinating, from the elegant movement of the scissors to the precision of the machine cut. The skilled hairdressers featured in this video show off their expertise with flair and ability. Each haircut is a testament to the ability as they effortlessly sculpt and shape hair into stunning works of art. In this video, you will find a glimpse of the Instagram profiles of these talented hairdressers. Here you can witness their creativity first-hand. Remember, this video is for entertainment purpose only, and the haircuts featured in this video are intended to inspire your own style. Your support is invaluable to us, and we are extremely grateful for every subscriber. By subscribing to our channel and activating the bell icon, you become an integral part of our community. Your opinions, comments and suggestions fuel our creativity and inspire us to bring you even more exciting content. We are here to serve you, our viewers. Your commitment means a lot to us. Please take a moment to let me know in the comment box which transformations and styles resound with you the most. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your preferences, making sure we continue to bring you the hairstyles and transformations you want. Conclusion, I want to express my deepest appreciation for your unwavering support and dedication. Your presence here has allowed us to grow and go well, and we are committed to delivering the best content possible. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of hair exploration and transformation. Remember to like to my channel and also subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss out many of the latest tips and tricks we have in store for you. And until we met again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly, and also keep watching my videos. See you soon.